Maytag washer model hashtag MVWX655DW0. Won't spin. Goes through entire wash cycle with no issues until spin. Makes 3 scraping noises and tries to spin. Then starts water filling and goes through beginning of spin cycle again. At end of spin cycle it, again, makes those 3 scraping noises and then goes to done. Clothes are clean but very wet.
Can you guesstimate how old your Maytag is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
About 2.5 years old. Is the number I typed above not the model number? It's a Maytag Bravo's high efficiency. Besides the number above, I can see CRC511454423.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Most likely no. I was hoping it was just a reset. Been trying to get a hold of someone because it's still under warranty, but no luck so far.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
My name is Woody. I'm sorry to hear that you're having issues. I will do my best to take the information that you provide to me and make a diagnosis for you to be able to repair your own appliance. I may also be assisting you along with other customers, so there may be a delay in responses. Do not panic, just wait for my reply. Thank you. Note, the website will send you a prompt for a phone call and pop UPS. Those are not from me, so if you do not want me to call you, please ignore IT. And have you unplugged the unit for 5 minutes to try and reboot the electronic control board yet? This is the only reset. If not, let's unplug or turn the circuit breaker off for 5 minutes or more, then give it power and see if it does the same thing. This unplugging for 5 minutes or more will hopefully reboot the electronic control board's memory. Let me know what it does.
We unplugged it yesterday and didn't plug it in until this morning. I decided to run it through to see if it had reset itself. Did not. I only unplugged it, did not turn off circuit breaker.
Okay, it was not an and, it was an either or. If it was unplugged overnight and you still have the same issue, can you tell me as to where this scraping sound is coming from?
It's happening during spin cycle and appears to be coming from the agitator or just below it.
Okay, good info. The most likely issue is the hub assembly under the agitator and inner tub is not dropping down so the inner basket can engage into the spin mode. This could be a worn hub assembly or an item of clothing under the inner tub assembly. Do you feel you can remove the agitator plate and the inner basket to look at the hub assembly?
No, don't feel I should do that. I was just hoping for a quick fix. It is under warranty, just difficult to get a hold of anyone. Don't like waiting on hold for 30 minutes or longer. I'll give them another shot. Thanks.
Okay, good, no problem. Yes, with it being a Monday, I would imagine you will have a long wait time. Always glad to assist you anytime. Thank you in advance. If you need me again for any other issues, you can request me Master Tech. And even after you rate me today, if you have a question, just reply back to me. I will still assist you, no extra charges. But rating me 5 stars is the only way I get paid for my time. I do not get compensated until you rate me. You should see a rating box, just click on the rating box and it will open the rating window for you to then rate me. Thank you in advance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.